Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do a full deep dive review of a Qinux Breezamax. It is an air conditioning unit, or well, some say it's not a proper air conditioning unit, but I'm going to give you the full lowdown. So let's dive in. So we're having a look at the Qinux Breezamax and we're doing a full deep dive review. I'm going to tell you the truth about this viral air conditioner that's flooding your social media ads. So let's separate the market hype from reality. First of all, the promise. It is a compact, bladeless portable air cooler featuring patented cryoflux technology for instant cooling relief. Some of its key features include a silent operation, low energy consumption, eco-friendly design, and a personal space cooling system. Its target use is perfect for small rooms, personal workspaces, or on-the-go cooling needs when traditional AC isn't actually available. The reality check. Let's have a look and balance the pros versus the cons. So, the pros. It's lightweight and really is portable. It's easy to move between rooms, between indoors as well as outdoors. It uses water evaporation to cool air while adding beneficial humidity. It is whisper quiet operation and it won't disturb work or sleep. It is ultra low power consumption costs that is just pennies per day. The cons. So, it's not a real air conditioning unit. There's no refrigerant system for actual cooling. Its effective range is limited to only 2 to 3 feet, like a small fan with mist basically. There are reports of poor build quality and water leakage issues, which is obviously a problem, and there is an overhyped marketing scheme with some fake reviews and pressure tactics. The bottom line is, it's great for personal cooling relief, and it's comfortable, but don't expect it to replace a real AC unit or cool your entire room effectively.